All right, I am back at the Truma Pete's, and we've decided just to replace the whole unit. Pulled it out already. There's my old unit. Something's funky with the internals of it. I don't know if it's the board or what, but I just feel better replacing the unit. It gave me a good price on it, so yeah, I'd rather have peace of mind going home. And I don't want to come back. Like I said, I've been dealing with this since December, November. It started in Lake Havasu, I think, that I was having problems. That was a while ago. So yeah, looking forward to getting this fixed. It is fixed. It's running, actually. He's got the new one in. All the lights are on. The hot water's running. Nice. All right, out of there by 11 a.m. He figured out how to do it much quicker this time, that's for sure. But I hope I never see Truma Pete again. I hope it's fixed for good. Now we got to get to the Airbnb and meet Dave, so I can get Kirby, his dog, and get feeding instructions and so on from him, so he can head to LA for the week. And then I'm going to drive back to Quartzite with his dog Kirby and Uma, because Kirby seems to always be between the seats, so that'll work out perfect for the drive. And I'll just meet him there in good old Quartzite, because I got some mail coming into my mailbox in Quartzite, and once that's done, I gotta get out of Quartzite. I don't want to be there anymore. Moving on to probably Yuma and Salton Sea area, I think. That's my plan. As we're, February 9th today. So yeah, going fast. All right, well, we made it to the Airbnb. Dave left yesterday, so I'm looking after Miss Uma and Mr. Kirby. Hi, Mr. Kirby. Yeah, just got back from getting a few groceries. But before it gets too hot out, I gotta go outside and do some things to the van. Let's go. Alrighty, so before I put the lid back on the Truma, it's working perfectly. I tested it last night. I tested it this morning. That's the most it's ever ran in 2, almost 3 months. But when Pete was putting it back in there, it's such a tight fit that he was jamming it against some of my plugs, the USBs and switches and stuff. And one of the tabs here got a little wonky. So luckily enough, I had a spare one I'm gonna replace that with. I think that's all I have to do before I put the lid back on. You see on this one, even the connection's a little burnt, but the tab's all wonky in there. And I don't like loose connections, so I'm just going to change it just for peace of mind, since I have the top off it. I don't want it to break in a day or two and have to unscrew the whole top and everything again. So yeah, just a simple replacement, and tighten up all the connections, and we're good to put the lid on. Nice. You see how these tabs got all bent and wonky and stuff? Yeah, I don't want that. All right. There we go. Connections are all nice and tight. I feel much better with that. Now put the lid back on and we'd be done. I'm glad I put everything in a bag weeks ago, so I didn't lose any of this stuff. All right. All right, well, hopefully that's it for that bench seat. I hope to never take it off again. That was my chore for the day. Another good thing, this Airbnb has laundry facilities, so I'm going to wash everything from my bed sheets to Uma's beds to Uma's towels and so on. So yeah, things are looking up. Let's go see how the doggos are doing. I heard Uma barking about something. I don't know if it was me in the backyard or if somebody knocked on the door. Hello. How are you? You guys been good? I know you have. Hi. I got all my chores done. Are you glad I got my chores done, Kirby? Hi. What? What's the matter? You miss your daddy? Aw. It's okay. Uncle Scott's here. Alright, well that was enough of city life for me for a while. Holy cow. Busy town. I don't know how I'm ever going to get used to residential life again, that's for sure. I just wanted out of there on day 2 of being in that house. But it's nice to be back on the road again, that's for sure. As you can see, I'm back in good old Quartzite. But yeah, we're here for the weekend anyway. I have to go to Yuma and pick up a new headlight. They sent me a defective one, so I've got to go pick that up. I had it mailed to the RV park in Yuma by mistake. I forgot that they were originally shipped there. Oops. But anyway, I get to play with the new toy while I'm here. I got this little DJI Neo 2. Apparently you can use the microphone with it. So I'm borrowing Dave's DJI microphone to test it out to see how well it works. I'm going to have fun with that. Apparently it's really good at follow me and stuff like that. It wasn't that expensive. Cool little drone. You don't even need a controller for it. So yeah, I'm going to play with that today. And yeah, let's charge this thing up and have some fun. So I want to test the follow me feature with the only tree that's around basically. And little bushes that it doesn't get caught. I just want to see how well it does on the microphone, as well as staying in front of me like this. It's pretty cool so far. I'm liking it. Now you do have to carry the phone with you while you're doing this. So yeah, I'm hoping the microphone works really well. Very neat. Let's see if I turn around really quick. Will it still follow? Nice. So cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Well, can't trick it. That's neat. Very cool. I hope the sound is good and it's not too much noise reduction on it. I'm hoping it pairs well with the DJI mic. That's why I'm using this. Yeah, it's so cool. Does it follow you when you bend down? Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go over here. I like it. I wonder how it's going to work in a forest or whatever. Nice. Follow in low mode. Let's see how it does this time. And go over to the bushes in Uma. That's pretty cool that you don't have to worry about it. You just have to set it and forget it. Sounds like an infomercial. Let's see if we can make it through the bushes fine. Make it over to Uma. Look at that. Good girl, Uma. Alright guys, that's it for this week. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.